So today I'm going to unbox this. These are the EBL 1.5 volt lithium ion rechargeable batteries that I got from eBay. So the price is pretty expensive, $17.99 compared to the one that I got from Costco. From Costco, I get 4 of the AA and 4 of the AAA battery lithium ion with the charging kit and 2 cases for $27.99 plus tax. So actually this is cost more than Costco. By the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up and see the new batteries. So I guess the new one, they come with 2 separate charging cable. Last time they came with 1 to 4, and I guess they know they got short circuit and then kind of get caught on fire or short circuit the battery. So yeah, we're going to check the voltage. I'm not sure it's charged or not. .52. And the other one's 1.51, and then the last one's 1.53. Let's plug in and see if there's any light, charging status light. By the way, this is USB Type A to micro USB. The new one that I got from Costco was Type C. So it's a blinking blue LED, so that means charging. So yeah, with this, you gotta make sure you separate the battery. You don't want to get short circuit. There you go. So this is what happened. The original one came with the 4-in-1 charging cable, and it was too close and touching each other. Look at the char on the battery, and one of the charging cables completely burned out. Lucky it didn't, almost caught on fire. And I smelled something burning, so at first I didn't know what was it, so I followed the smell and came into the room, and this is what I found. So this is quite very dangerous. If you put the batteries too close, that will cause a short circuit. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Peace.